Welcome to GooeyTrade and the DxTrade trading platform video series. In this video, we will look at basic graphics on the DxTrade platform. To get a better view of an individual chart, simply click the Expand button on any chart. The Graphics button will display the last item used. Clicking here will reveal all the graphic tools available. The most important, of course, is the horizontal line or the price line. Click on the line, click anywhere on the chart and drag the line to the appropriate level. You may change the color and the line thickness. You may drag the line up and down as required. For example, when you change time frames for more precision. Hovering over the line will reveal all the controls where you may reconfigure it. You may also tick Extend to the left or Extend to the right. This gives you flexibility if you want to leave part of your chart clear. You may add as many lines to mark support and resistance as you require. You may delete any graphic object by selecting it and clicking the trash can icon. Vertical lines or timelines function in the same way. Opening the Settings pop-up box gives you color, style, and thickness options as well. You may also adjust the time for more precise placement. The channel is also available for you to track trending markets more precisely. Drag the channel along the trend you wish to follow. Use the endpoints to modify the angle, and use the midpoint to delineate the upper and lower trend lines. Of course, you may change the color, style, and thickness. You may also tick Extend to the left or Extend to the right. And you may tick Background to show or hide the color fill. Trend lines work in the same way. You may move the lines and change the angles with the endpoints. Here you may also tick Extend to the left or Extend to the right. And you may show an arrow at either end. You may display the price, percentage change, and the net change, placed on the right or on the left. The final graphic tool is the Fibonacci retracement, which can be set for either bullish or bearish markets by joining the swing highs and swing lows. You may plot key levels of support and resistance this way, and we will have a separate video on trading with Fibonacci retracements. You may also modify the price and time at either end for very precise placement. Text is also available, and you may place the text box wherever you wish, double-click, and enter your text. You may set your text color, change the size, use a white background, a black background, or no background. Press Enter on your keyboard to add more lines. Control-Enter will confirm your text on a Windows PC or Command-Enter on a Mac. That's all for now. We hope you will enjoy this GooeyTrade DxTrade video series, and don't forget to like, subscribe, get notified, and check out our other videos on DxTrade.